Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable or turn on the calling notifications of Truecaller. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. To enable or turn on the calling notifications of Truecaller, first of all, open up the mobile settings. Once you do open up the mobile settings, you can at the very top search for Truecaller like this. As you can see at the third is the Truecaller, or scroll to the very bottom where the apps are and tap on Truecaller. From here, go in the notification section, and from here, if they are disabled, the notification are disabled, simply turn it on like this. Once you do turn it on, that is how you can turn on the calling notifications of Truecaller. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.